of just one individual, so phenomenal work. I have a request for you. During the question and answer time, the students are struggling because they're being caught off guard. It's a very difficult process. There's oftentimes an English barrier that's happening. Could you please ensure to keep the chatter down, the conversations down, the shuffling down? I understand that it gets a little quiet and it can be a little tense, but for the sake of the students, the Q&A time is by far the roughest, and they're on a stage looking out at a quite intimidating audience. So please keep that in mind. So one of the things that we've heard along the way, I've used the word software and hardware combination. We've heard the word Windows Embedded. Real briefly, I wanted to explain what Windows Embedded is. Windows Embedded is actually a product of families that Microsoft offers. There's a number of embedded operating systems that Microsoft offers. The students are working with the operating system called Windows Embedded Compact or Windows Embedded CE. And this is a unique operating system in the entire Microsoft family. It is actually not an operating system that ships in a box. It's not like Windows 7 where you get it and install it. The students actually get what's called the toolkit, meaning that the embedded operating system is shipped as a bunch of individual components, sort of like Lego bricks. And the students take the hardware platform and then build the operating system specific to the hardware platform. And this all goes to embedded technology, that they're trying to build an operating system that only uses the resources required by the application. So a few things to think about as you're watching these solutions. One, they've had to build their own operating system from scratch. They've then had to build an application that runs on that operating system, and then they've had to build a hardware solution that runs that application. It's an extremely impressive feat that what you're seeing here today. And with that, I would like to bring up the fourth of the 6 teams competing tonight in the finals. Please welcome France.